Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see PUBG PC no recoil sensitivity settings. I show you guys how to do it. First, you just need to open up the mouse program. Depends on which brand you use. In my case, I'm using Logitech. So I'm having Logitech G Hub program. Select the mouse and set DPI speed to 400 and repeat rate set this to 1000 and then just to minimize this and open up the game. We just need to pause the video and keep the sensitivity settings same like mine, and after changing it, I personally use AUG for every situation in the game. I can shoot better, so I use AUG with red dot and 3x. You can try it guys. I will add the mouse movement on left side with the proof. You can see how I control the recoil. If you are new to this PUBG PC game, then this video should help you guys. At first I was struggling to shoot, now I'm be like so easy. I trained a lot and I changed sensitivity every day. This is the perfect one for me. Less movement and more recoil control. This should work for you guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.